Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a website using WordPress on Namecheap Hosting. First thing you have to do is check the link in the description. You will find a link to my website. From here you can perform the step 1, that is to search your domain name, which will be our website name. Just like google.com, youtube.com, we have to pick a name for our website. And on this page, in the search bar here, you have to search for the domain name you want. Then from this drop down option, you have to select the extension for the domain. I would suggest you to go with .com. Then click on check availability. As you can see, this domain is available and we can proceed to step 2 by clicking on this register now button. And I would suggest you to please read this information. This will help you in selecting the right domain name for your website. Let's click on register now and proceed to step 2. Click on add to cart. Now you can see on the bottom of the page, this domain name has been added to our cart. Now let's select hosting. For that, go to hosting option here and then select shared hosting. This tutorial is only for shared hosting, not for WordPress hosting. So do not make the mistake of selecting WordPress hosting. Click on shared hosting here. Now scroll down. And from here you have to select the data center location. Namecheap has recently added multiple data center locations. So now you can pick the one which is closest to your audience. I will pick Singapore here. Then you have to select the billing cycle. I would suggest you to go with yearly cycle because you will get a lot better discount with this rather than if you select monthly. For this tutorial, I just need a test server. So I will select the monthly option. Now you have to select a hosting plan. I would suggest you to go with the Stellar Plus plan as it allows you to multiple websites. The Stellar plan only allows you to create 3 websites. Stellar Plus plan will also allow you to handle a lot more traffic, and same with the Stellar Business. For this tutorial, let's go with the Stellar plan and click on Get Started. On this page, you have to review your selected hosting plan and domain name is correct. Then click on add to cart. Now one more time you have to review the domain name you selected is correct and there is no spelling mistake because usually you cannot refund domain name. And make sure this domain privacy option is always enabled and it is completely free provided by Namecheap. So when everything looks correct, click on confirm order. Now if you are new to Namecheap, you have to create your account. It is very simple. You have to select your username, password and your personal information. Then click on create account and continue. I already have a Namecheap account, so I will log into my account and show you the next steps. After creating your Namecheap account and logging in, you have to select your payment method and complete your payment. I will select PayPal here. You can also use your credit card, debit card or other payment methods supported by Namecheap. Click on continue. Click on checkout with PayPal. After completing your payment, you will see this processing your order screen. It will take about a minute or a few seconds for the processing to be completed. And that's it. Our order processing is complete. You can see all the details here. You will also get an email with all this information. If you want, you can also download and save the receipt. Now let's go to Namecheap dashboard. For that, click on manage. From Namecheap dashboard, you can manage all settings of your domain like changing name servers, advanced DNS and other settings. You can see here the registration date and expiry date. Also make sure that every time this privacy protection is enabled and its renewal date is also valid. On the left sidebar here, you will see an option of hosting list. Click here. From this page, you can manage all settings related to your hosting subscription. You can see here the subscription is for this domain. This is our hosting plan. Status is active and this is the expiry date. Click on go to Cpanel. Namecheap will automatically redirect you to the Cpanel, which is our main control panel for managing all server related settings. Scroll down and you will see this option of scripts here. Select WordPress Click on install now. From software setup option, make sure your correct domain name is selected here. Then scroll down. From admin account settings, you can select a different username and password, and definitely change the admin email to a working email ID where you can receive emails. It could be your Gmail account or any other working email ID, because by default it will pick your domain name which will not be active. Also make sure to keep this username and password in a safe place, because we will need this to log into the WordPress dashboard later. Then scroll down, and Namecheap is currently offering some of these plugins. I have personally not tested all these, so I will just leave it to default right now, and then scroll down. In the advanced options, I will unselect auto upgrade WordPress plugins and themes. For auto upgrade, I will only enable this option, upgrade to minor version only, because usually these are security related updates. And then again, put your working Gmail ID or any other email ID here where you can receive the login instructions. Then click on install button here, and that's it. Within few seconds, our WordPress installation will be complete and our website will be accessible at this URL. Let's try to check if our website is accessible or not, because when you buy a new domain, you have to wait for about an hour or 30 minutes before the domain starts working because of the DNS propagation. I will open this in a new tab here. We can ignore the SSL warning because we have not installed our certificate yet. Click on continue to website, and you can see WordPress has been installed, and this is the sample page. Now let's log into the admin area. Let's go back here, and you can see the admin dashboard area of WordPress URL here. Let's open it also in a new tab here. This is a new addition by Namecheap. They have also added a AI sort of option. So if you want, you can explore these options and allow Namecheap AI to create your website. Or if you do not want to use the AI feature of Namecheap, you can go back to our main website. Go here, add/wp-admin and hit enter. From here, you can access your WordPress dashboard and then continue with the WordPress customization as you would prefer. And to go back to the Cpanel option, you can go to this tab here. From here, you can also install more WordPress copies for your add-on domains or subdomains. And to go back to the Cpanel, where you can manage all your email related settings, your SSL, you can do all that from here. If you have any other questions related to the control panel or Namecheap, please post them in the comments. I will try to help you out. And now I will try the AI tool and show you the results. Now it's been few minutes, and unfortunately all I'm seeing is this error. It is taking longer than expected. So maybe this is a new tool and Namecheap will take some time to improve it. So I will end the video here, and if I see this tool working, I will create a new video about it, and you will be able to find its link in the description and pinned comment.